The courtroom rises as Judge Vander B. Cordes takes the bench. The tension is immediate. Miss James steps forward, frustrated and exhausted. She claims the mother of two refuses to care for her own children. The judge leans in as Miss James explains she has raised the 4-year-old since infancy and took in a younger child at just 5 months old. The mother, she says, chose the good life while she carried the weight. The judge nods. This case is already heavy.
All rise. Judge Vander B. Cordes now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1052, James case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Miss James?
Yes, ma'am.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
This girl here don't want to take care of her kids. I've been had her kids forever.
When you say forever, what's forever?
I've been basically the 4-year-old been with me since he was a baby. And now the 2-year-old, I got her little tail when she was 5 months. She's 2 now. She don't want to take care of them. She don't want to stop by when they want to see her. I did her a favor, let her go do some work and do these old hussies' hair. She want to follow and live the good life while I have her kids. So I need her to pay up. I need some help.
I definitely agree you need some help. What's the issue? Your kids have pretty much...
The judge turns to the mother. She insists she's a traveling hairstylist, always on the road for appointments. But her explanation falls apart as the judge catches a remark. The mother isn't even sure who her child's father is. The aunt scoffs. The judge pauses mid-sip of her tea, now fully locked in. This family dispute is deep, bitter, and messy.
Been with your aunt their entire lives.
Semi-aunt. I don't even know if she really my brother's child.
There she goes again.
Oh,
I
okay.
provide for my kids. I travel for my work, and I have to do hair, make appointments. You know, I'm
Wait a
busy.
minute. Start over with what you were saying. I was too busy trying to drink this tea with what she just said about her brother.
Yeah, she likes to play that card, but we know.
Girl.
I'm listening now.
But I'm a hairstylist. I do hair.
Your
you
hair
know.
is pretty.
Thank you. I do wigs, lace fronts, all of that. So when people
So
call
you
me,
have the money to pay for these kids, you're just choosing not to. That's essentially what you just said, right?
No, so I pay for these kids. Like I bring them food.
She
I bring
brings them
clothes.
McDonald's, a Happy Meal. Maybe
Every kid love a Happy Meal.
no clothes, no shoes.
You know,
bring clothes and
a
shoes.
Happy
Granimal
Meal,
sandals.
If they're with her all of the time,
The mother claims she does support her kids, dropping off the occasional Happy Meal. The judge's face hardens. A Happy Meal is not parenting. Ms. James lists everything she pays for: clothes, shoes, daily necessities. Meanwhile, the mother jokes about doing hair for strippers. The judge is not amused. She sees a young woman dodging responsibility while a relative sacrifices everything.
Happy Meal, ma'am, is insufficient.
Well, when I come, I bring them whatever they
When
like.
you
when
come,
they like
how
McDonald's.
often do you go over there?
Tell the
A
truth.
couple times a month.
How many?
Depending on my schedules.
Kids are priority. These little strippers' hair can wait. See, that's your problem.
So you doing strippers' hair?
Well, they pay more. You know, they make that big money, so I got to get my coins.
I mean, they do get paid.
And she
You
probably
know,
doing something strange for a piece of change too.
Oh, okay.
No, that's not my business. But I definitely will lay some edges, lay some hair. Yes.
Okay.
Honey,
yeah, your
don't-
edges are laid. They really are.
Girl,
They
that's
are.
a Jerry curl. Don't let the makeup, the little MAC makeup fool you. Because behind all that,
Y'all get along, do you?
No, we don't. Since she
Oh.
was a little girl, she's
But
been.
wait a minute. You all don't get along, but you trust her enough to have your kid. I'm not about to play with you.
The arguing heats up. The aunt calls out the mother for doing glamorous work while never lifting a finger for her own children. The judge steps in quickly, questioning how these two women can hate each other but still rely on each other for childcare. She demands financial honesty, and the mother slips again. She claims she earns $60,000 a year, but her tax documents say $65,000. The judge doesn't miss anything.
I'm not about to play with you.
That's because nobody else fooled with her. I'm the only
Where's
one.
the daddy?
Oh, I don't know. He in them streets.
Oh, it sounds like you are too.
No, I'm in the streets to make them coins, to get that money,
Oh.
lay that hair.
Oh, okay. Well, let me go ahead and lay some numbers for you. How much money you make a year?
About 60,000.
60,000? Okay. Who did this tax return you gave me? Somebody from the streets?
Somebody I met through a friend, yes.
Oh, okay.
Shaniqua.
Oh, okay. Well, they have your income at 65,000. So is that true?
It's around there.
We're going to use that
65,000.
number. We're going to use that number instead of that 60,000 that you just gave me, because you came in here to waste my time and play these games, and I'm not about to play with you.
Miss Vonda,
Yes, ma'am.
her kids' hair need done.
And but
Now the numbers matter. The judge recalculates income and breaks down the truth. This mother makes enough to care for her kids. She just hasn't. Medicaid covers the children, which means the state must be reimbursed. The mother's eyes widen. She had no idea. But the judge makes it clear. Today she will learn.
she said her edges, she lay edges.
You see how cute her hair look?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You think she comes and buys Borettes and everything comes out of my pocket. I keep those babies looking good. She never put a finger in there, but she want to run around and put her little fingers in these other little helpers' head.
You know what? You know better, or at least you should. You should know better. And I'm not looking for a response right now, because as cute as your hair is, that attitude is not looking real good. So let's go ahead and make sure your aunt gets some money for these kids, okay? So at this $65,000 a year, that brings your gross to about $5,400. Your net is $4,383.27. What about health insurance?
Medicaid.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're really about to pay today, because Medicaid has.
The mother confirms she has only 2 children and claims she's not pregnant, though even she doesn't sound convinced. The judge moves on, pulling out the calculator. The room quiets as she lists the figures. Child support, Medicaid reimbursement, percentages, totals. The mother's face freezes as the final number hits the courtroom.
To be reimbursed to the state, right?
No, I didn't know that.
Well, you just found out something today. I'm so glad that you are ready to learn something, because you are about to learn today, okay? So, child support calculation, 2 kids, only 2 kids. Well, I know it's 2 kids that you have, but do you have any other kids?
No, just the 2.
Okay. So,
What?
yes, ma'am.
Well, I did get I wanted to, can I confirm something? You not pregnant?
No, not that I know of.
Oh, you didn't say that very
Yeah.
confidently.
I'll probably end up with that one too.
Okay, well, moving right along. Child support is $1,096, plus we need to reimburse that Medicaid, like I told you. So we take that $5,400, do 9% of that. That comes out to $486. $486 plus the $1,096. That brings your child support obligation to $1,582 per month.
The judge delivers the amount, $1,582 per month. The mother repeats it in disbelief. The aunt quickly responds. That amount doesn't even scratch the surface of what she spends raising the children. Surprisingly, the judge agrees. Feeding and clothing 2 kids on your own is expensive. The mother's occasional fast food drop-offs don't compare.
I'm sorry, you said 1,000 what?
$1,582. Anything else?
For 2 kids?
Girl,
$1,500 a month?
do you know how much I pay to take care of your kids? More than that. That is only a pinch of what I pay to take care of your kids monthly.
Well, I have to agree with her. I normally don't allow people to talk out of turn, but, she's absolutely correct.
Okay.
It doesn't put a dent in anything that she does, especially when you're talking about feeding 2 children.
I
So,
feed them.
Yeah, sure you do. Is there anything further?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further?
No, but she can bring by some McDonald's today.
Okay. Well, take some McDonald's over there, and if there's nothing further, you all.
With both sides finally quiet, the judge asks if there's anything further. The aunt jokes the mother can at least buy McDonald's today. The courtroom laughs, but the judge maintains order. She dismisses the case with one final reminder. The caregiver is the one entitled to support. And today, the court made that clear.
Dismiss.
Thank you, Ms. Vonda.
Hi guys, it's me. I just want to go over what you witnessed in the James case. This case was a little different, right? So there is the biological mom of the children, and there is the aunt, the dad's sister, who is actually in possession of the two children. Well, mom was not given any type of financial support. Aunt is taking on the sole responsibility of the kids, and as I've told you in previous episodes, the person who is in possession of the children is usually the person that is entitled to the child support, and mom had to pay.
Outside the courtroom, the judge breaks down what viewers just witnessed. A biological mother failing to provide. An aunt stepping in entirely. And a legal truth many forget. The person who actually raises the children is the one who receives support. In this case, the mother was forced to face accountability, not excuses. Raising children is a responsibility, not an option. And in my courtroom, the person doing the work gets the support.